So I walked out into the garden this morning and took a look at the tomatoes, and I'm noticing something exciting, which is the very beginnings of some tomatoes ripening up. Now these are cherry tomatoes, but those are always the first that you're gonna see color in if you planted everything about the same time. And so it's called blushing, and I see a little bit of blushing in my very first tomato. Let me show you. So that tomato right there, if you can see, let's see if I can get my finger in here. Right here at the bottom, it has started to change color. And I don't know how well the camera is picking it up, but there's almost a very, very slight pink tinge to it. All right, yesterday I told you we threw into the dehydrator some pineapple, some squash from the garden, and some tomatoes that were not from the garden, but I needed to use up. And I seasoned them with a little bit of salt, pepper, and some of our basil. They are done. Here's what the tomato looks like. I have sampled, and it is amazing. Now I will say I probably added a little too much pepper. I have an issue with that. They're just cows, boys. It's a problem. They want to chase the cows so bad. Anyways, these are really good. So if you get a chance to try slicing tomatoes, season them lightly, especially the pepper, and dehydrating them, they are super good. And honestly, I could see throwing these on a pizza. I could see eating these like a chip. They're just really yummy and super good for you.